Good morning, sir. I am Patrick Errol. I'm a student from BSN 1G, and today we're going to attend a demonstration on how to do the proper of back massage for our client or patient. Let's start. First, we need to do is to introduce ourselves to our client and verify our client name, explain the procedure, why it is important, on how an our client cooperate. Mamaya po, pag nagbigay po tayo ng instruction sa kanya. And lastly, encourage po natin si patient na magbigay ng feedback habang nagbibigay po tayo ng pressure sa ating patient. Good morning, sir. My name is Patrick Era. I'm a student nurse here. Explain ko lang po yung mga procedure na gagawin natin. We're going to back massage your back po is to promote your body circulation and to give you more comfort po. Then after that, mamaya po may mga instruction po kami na ibibigay so that you can follow on us and follow on me so that mas mabilis po yung paggawa natin ng procedure. Then after that, mag-hand hygiene na po tayo and observe natin yung infection control while the procedure. Then after that, i-assemble natin lahat ng materials. So, yung mga materials lang naman po natin yun is a towel for the excess oil, and also yung gagamitin nating lotion, either lotion or oil sa back ng ating client. And after that, poposition natin yung sarili natin and also the client to its appropriate position. Sir, instruct natin si patient na mag-move near us, toward us, so that magawa natin ng mas mabilis yung procedure. And para mahawakan natin yung mga partes na part na pwedeng hawakan while doing the procedure. Sir, can you move near me po so that I can abang ginagawa po yung procedure is mas mabilis, sir? Do you need any assistance po ba or you can do it on your own po, sir?
I can do it.
Sige po, sir. Move po tayo, sir. And then after that, since naka-move na si patient dito sa side ng bed, yung side rails natin is ibababa natin. While yung sa kabila is nakatayo pa rin. Then after that, i-adjust natin yung bed to its appropriate position and its appropriate work position. And assume lang po natin na na-adjust na yung bed since hindi naman po tayo sa hospital setup based na nagde-demo. Then after that, i-turn natin si patient to its sa position na habang nagba-back massage, for back massage na po. Then yung sa appropriate na position naman po is the supine position for back, since yung back yung pong kailangan natin for our patient. Sir, susupine position po namin kayo or dadapa po kayo. It is okay with you, sir?
Yes.
Sige po, sir. Dapa po tayo, sir. Dapa. Kahit maganon po kayo, sir. Sabit niyo po yung ano sa harap. Yan po. Since after that, nakita naman po natin na si patient is nakasupine position na, and ibababa na po natin yung i-expose po natin yung back ng ating client into the sacral area lang po at the top of the shoulder of our client. I-expose lang po natin to. Sir, Itataas ko po yung damit nyo, sir. Ito sa okay with you, sir.
Yes.
Then after that, since nakatanggal, nakababa na yung linen para sa ating patient, then nakataas na rin yung damit niya, so that pagkapusit na po tayo sa back massage for our patient. Magkakabit po tayo ng small amount of oil or lotion sa ating palm, and hindi po natin siya agad ikakabit, or else pwede naman po natin gamitin yung sa oil if ibababad muna po natin siya sa warm water, so that hindi po maka-feel na any irritation sa patient habang kakabit natin. Tapos tayo. First, i-massage po muna natin yung sacral part or the sacral area of our patient. Smooth circular motion lang po. Kisimula po tayo here. Then after po sa sacral part or the sacral part areas ng ating patient, is pupunta mo naman po tayo sa center as same same routine or the same movement lang po ng pagmamassage. Smooth circular motion po sa center po ng patient. Then after that, mag-move naman po tayo sa upper part or sa scapulae ng ating patient. Sa both side ng scapulae ng ating patient po. Again, same movement lang po na hand. And kapag naman po nawala na po ng dulas ang ating hands or nawala na po siya ng oil, so that pwede naman tayo pong mag-add ng oil. Add po tayo, sir. Okay lang po ba yung pressure, sir?
Okay.
And then after that, from top, bababa naman po tayo, pababa sa iliac crest ng ating patient, the left hand side, iliac crest ng ating patient po. Again, sa pagmamassage po ng sa movement po ng pagmamassage natin, you need to smooth circular motion po. Mag-add po tayo ng oil since naubos na po yung oil natin. And after that, same procedure lang po. Uulitin po natin lahat ng ginawa natin kanina in 3 to 5 minutes po. So that mas ma-feel na ni patient na relax siya, yung comfort. And also, ayun nga po, na-feel niya po yung relaxation habang ginagawa natin yung procedure. Okay, sa sacral area. Going to center. Going to scapulae. And going to iliac crest. Then, i-assume po natin na nagawa na natin siya in 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, i-assess po natin yung skin ni patient kung may redness po ba siya or any irritation po habang ginagawa natin yung procedure. Especially po yung mga site or yung mga part na may bone prominence. As habang ginagawa naman po yung procedure there is no any abnormalities naman po habang or any redness na nakita sa ating patient's skin back. And after that, ipa-pat dry po natin yung back ni patient using a clean towel. Since we don't have a clean towel, gagawin lang po tayo ng tissue. Since it pat dry lang naman po. Pat dry po natin, sir. Kakabit natin po sa trash can. Then after that, magdo-document po tayo if any findings na meron po tayong makita ng abnormalities or any abnormalities while having the procedure po. And also don't forget to mag-hand hygiene po ulit because hinawakan nga po natin si patient. And also ibabalik po natin si patient to its original position. So that ma-assess natin yung level of comfortness ng ating patient. Sige, mapalik ko na po yung damit ni sir. Sige po sir. Ano na po tayo? Original position na po sir. Harap na po tayo sir. And sir, do you feel any comfort or discomfort po ba sir?
I feel comfortable.
Tapos.
Yun lang?